They'd be great. I mean, there's not enough. I only know of one around Supper Park, and that's pretty much it. So an increase of those would be great.
National Bonds, the Sharia-compliant savings scheme, just released its profit rate for 2008. With a profit rate over 7%, National Bonds has achieved the highest annual profit rate in the country for the second consecutive year. Nadia Haremi has more.
National Bonds just announced that they have achieved the highest annual profit rate in the country for savings schemes, something that they've now achieved for a second consecutive year. The company reported a 7.07% profit rate for its bondholders.
National Bonds has won 500,000 bondholders, 500,000, which is about 10% of the population over the last 3 years. We have seen an incredible increase in our sales in 2008 versus 2007, about 150%.
Females and youth clients increased by 40% and 50% respectively in 2008 over 2007. Overall, the company has 500,000 bondholders from over 91 different nationalities, securing 10% of the UAE's population as its market share. Impressive figures for this innovative national savings scheme, especially considering that this past year consumers have been reluctant to part with their hard-earned cash due to the global economic crisis. But National Bonds has managed to attract new clients due to the low-risk nature of its investments.
Basically, we invest the money in, as I said, either cash investments, and we do short-term Islamic investments with third parties, mostly under the shape of wakalas.
The company also has its own direct investments in real estate, private equities and buying equities in UAE companies. The company also subscribes to IPOs. It maintains its low-risk investments by shying away from the stock market and its fluctuations, and it never lends money.
Banks, they live on receiving funds from the customers and also lending it. We are only an investment company.
Being a Mudaraba fund means that National Bonds shares its revenues between bondholders and the company. Another attractive feature of this plan to UAE customers and customers abroad is that it's a Sharia-compliant scheme.
The Islamic Sharia concentrates on generating, let's say, revenue and income from asset-backed investments.
And National Bonds owns its assets, which it buys on behalf of its bondholders. The company aims to double its sales once more this coming year, despite the belief that the UAE society is made up of spenders rather than savers.
Unfortunately, the society, regardless of the nationalities in the UAE, are not savers, especially during the good times. When there are good times, people just spend and spend and spend without thinking that they will